Mumaka g'omukyala Teddy Bugiingo era nga tuli ba mukisa okuba nti omwana omukulu Doreen gwe tuli naye essaawa eno okusookera ddala mu bitiibwa ebingi nsaba obuuze ku bannayuganda abakulaba.
Bannayuganda bandaba Yesu yeebazibwe. Sobere muli bulungi ssanyu gyereere namwe mbaagaliza ssanyu. Nze Doreen Gift Bugiingo and I graduated in the Master of Science in Telecommunications Engineering in Makerere University.
Mu bufunze masters gye wafunye oba okola biki mu bukugu bwo?
Telecommunications eri very wide. Ye sector fenna gye tukoleramu etandikira ddala kuva waka masimu, radio, TV. Ne tweyongerayo ku mikutu internet, emirongooti, kwegamba side ya broadcasting, ebya satellite TVs, televisions eza bulijjo, mobile communications z'oyogererako. So the whole engineering behind it, kati I would say that I mastered in that.
Tusooka tuddeyo ku mutendera gwa diguri ng'omaze okugifuna. Wali ogenzeeko ko anywhere no practice ng'ekyo wasoma?
Yes.
Wabikolako wa?
When I just finished my degree, shortly nga sinaba kufuluma campus, I was at NTV. Twalinga ba trainee but we were to be retained. But then shortly after, nga nakamala okukola ebibuuzo, company bagita ZTE ekola emirongooti egimu gya MTN egimu gya Airtel. Ne bampa offer. So nenkolerayo. Nakolerayo emyezi nga 8 nenzaala my first born. So nengenda mu bya maternity leave and all. Bwe naddamu okukola nenkolera power company endala bagita Eton era empowering emirongooti. Bwe nali nkyakola ku Eton, taata wange nampa offer okukolera ku Salt.
So TV, Salt Radio?
Yes, Salt Media yonna.
Okay.
So I resigned at Eton. Nengenda nenkolera Salt Media. So it is from Salt Media that I then went back for masters.
Okay. So Salt Media wakolerawo bbanga ki?
Kuva 2017 January paka 2019 February.
Okay. So bukyanga ova ku Salt Media obadde tuddamu mufuna mulimu anywhere?
No, nkola right now nkola Ministry of ICT and National Guidance.
Oh.
Nkola as an ICT infrastructure engineer.
Okay.
Yes, so nkolera government, I would say.
So mu kaseera kano tonoonya mulimu?
No. Mulimu gwe nina ngwagala nnyo. It's an oversight role kwegamba okola ebintu bana abalala bebana implementing. So it's at a high level because only engineer wa gwanga. So whatever you decide up is what other people implement. So I really love my job. Yes.
So ani abadde supporting a masters eno okulaba nti eyimiriddewo today? Ani funder? Financial sponsor?
Nze Katonda yampa ekirabo
Kyekiriwa?
nti nina emikwano abanjagala genuinely. Katonda yampa emikwano eginjagala. I would give the highlight to a few people. Temubamanyi naye nja boogera kubanga be babaddewo. Nina mukwano gwange bamuyita Mutesi Edith, omulala Grace, omulala bamuyita Gift Isubikalu, omulala bamuyita Judith Nakalyango. She's my best friend. Mumanyidde kuva 2005. So abo beba badde support yange kubanga even while between 2019 when natandikira okukola okusoma nali sina mulimu yet. Guno mulimu nagufuna nga maze first year yange.
Okay.
Even when I got it, tegukola magic nti onofuna sente there and there. So mbadde nina business ya spare naye bye nali mpitamu at that time byali byetaaga sente nyingi okusingako kuze nali nkola at that time. So nafuna financial challenges but my friends were always there. Then of course my mom and her endless emotional support and prayers and all. Her friends, our family generally. I thank God. Like I've got so much support and I'm grateful.
So we tutunulira support y'abazadde strictly tugambe nti abadde maama.
Nedda. Nsobola ndowooza kiteeka bwe nti tozaalibwa ng'okuze. Ozaalibwa ng'oli baby n'okula mpola mpola. So bw'oba otandika okusoma totandikira ku masters. Otandikira mu nursery, primary, secondary, yonna. I am blessed that Katonda abaddenga ampa amagezi at every level. I've always had sponsorships, primary, I kept winning bursaries, secondary, I got some lady who sponsored me, bachelor's, I was on government. Now financially you can say that there's always been support here and there, but you cannot underlook like the other support that you got that was not money per se. Eyokukuza, eyokulabirira, eyokusabira. So both my parents have been through there throughout. Kubanga sisose kusoma masters. Both my parents have always been there. So even yesterday, abyabadde waka ne sibayita naye, in my speech, I thanked my father and I prayed blessings for him because he was there.
Taata yakubeererawo naye.
Maybe not in this masters, but he has always been there. And I had, like I said, totandikira ku masters. You have studied before, and he was always there. We might have some challenge now, or maybe he wasn't so present in my masters. But then I wouldn't have achieved masters if I had not achieved the other things. So I pray blessings for him, and I respect him, so I can generally tell you that my parents have always been there.
So mu kirabo kino ekya masters ky'owadde bazadde bo, Taata yavuddeyo somehow nakuwebaza?
Not yet, but I believe ajja kuneebaza. Or at least I'm sure wonna waali ateeka okuba nga deep down he's proud.
Before nga kyasooka okwogera ne taata wo, yali ayogeddeko in future nga ayagala obeere kino ky'oli?
Yes. He used to pray for it. Actually, yes, so much. I remember when nali mala bachelor's yangambanga ndora nze yange degree esooka ewedde eyiyo ejja kuba yabbaawo ate njikubanja. So he always, you speak into your child's life. He always said it that ejja kuba yabbaawo ate njikubanja. So he always said it that it would happen. Just like my mom, she always said that nze amagezi gange mwagatwala ate mujja bisoma ate tubisomye. So yes, my parents have always spoken to our lives. Always.
So moment gy'obadde ng'osoma masters yo, obadde ofunamuko feeling ogamba nti kino nkikolera taata, njagala okumakinga taata somehow proud because yali akiruubiriddeko nkifune?
Yes.
Obadde omulowoozaako ng'ogisoma?
Yes.
Now that you're different.
If I got a chance to, I'm going to share a photo of my acknowledgement book. Kubanga oba wali okiwuliddeko nti akatabo ka masters oba alina akatabo. After degree, any other studies after that, okuba obutabwe. And at every level I've always acknowledged him. I think I'll show you a photo of my graduation book. He's acknowledged. He was always there in my mind, at least that, that this would make him proud. Yes.
Doreen, ensi yasembayo okulaba mu mawulire nga byali bya busungu, buli omu asobola okukitegeera. Today tulabanga ate omuntu ali calm, naddala message towards taatawo. To you, olinawo ngeri gy'oyagala okubeera nga ebikadde bivaawo mufune essuula empya?
What do you mean ebikadde bivaawo?
You know, ebikadde nanti ensi tusembayo okulaba nga biri bita side eno eweereza muliro side eno muliro so ate tudde ndaba ng'omuliro gwaggwawo oyagala Doreen omupya eri taata we.
So that time was actually a tough time because buli omu yabifuna bulala. At that moment, my mom and I had been accused of attempting to steal church land. That was sad. You know, sirina mbala ya bubbi. Neither does my mother. So it was so sad, like bali bakuwayirizaako ekintu ate ekibi. Njagala nnyo ekkanisa, like we have grown up in church. I cannot be one to take away something from the church. So yes, obusungu bwali bungi bwo. Naye olaba abantu mu bulamu buno. Abantu bafiirwa. Like, ate kati omuntu aba afiiriddwa that time bamugamba nti kubanga nkozesa kufiirwa kubanga it's like the worst thing in this life. Ebintu ebirala byonna biddibwawo si ekyo. So omuntu aba afiiriddwa bamugamba time ejja kola ki? Time will heal. So kati olaba time healinga afiiriddwa ng'oto oyo aba avuddewo. Kati ffe tetwafiirwa. So if time can heal a person afiiriddwa, time etukozeemu omulimu, like time has made us okay. Time, as in time is okay. Like time has healed everything. Kwegamba Katonda akozesezza buno obudde really. Ate Katonda atulaze omukwano mungi. Nebye twali tutunulira maybe by then that bino tekisa kusoboka bwebanga situli wano bati tuli wano Katonda akikoze. So bwenzira ku kibuuzo kyo nti twandyagadde okulaba differently oba nandyagadde okulaba
oba ng'okulagana ne taata mutula ku mmeeza y'emu.
Like it would be the normal thing to do because like tewakyali busungu ebyabaawo there is no family that is perfect. It's only that ours was all over the place. There is no perfect person. I have my imperfections. So it would be the normal thing to do. But tewali ebintu bino tekiri mu kukaka nti tubeere fine mutulabe. It's not about you. It's not about ensi ekulabe nga kati muli bulungi. No, like Katonda abakolamu omulimu and at the right time buli kimu kikola kibaawo. Again. So at the right time we shall be on the same table. At the right time everything will be fine. At the right time we shall probably re-celebrate all these things, all these moments that he has missed. So at the right time, yes.
So behind curtains waliyo ko movie yonna okulaba nti taata mama Doreen n'abalala abaali mu saga eyo bakwatagana behind curtains.
Bazadde bange sobola boogerera kubanga bali baagala nate bantu bakulu.
Okay.
On my part, we have a way we communicate. There are people who I respect and he respects. So when I want to check on him, they are there. And when he wants to check on me, they are there. So, yeah, on my part, we have a way. A way we keep tabs to make sure the other side is okay.
You connect.
We have a way to communicate to make sure the other side is okay and everyone is okay on my part. Because like I said, we have people who are mutual. Olaba bwe just mikwano muba n'ababagata.
Yeah.
So imagine abooluganda. So tulina abantu nga batugatta. Yes.
Ng'ogyeko gwe banate baganda abalala bo bali okay ne taata.
Yes, they've never had a problem with him. Yes, they are fine.
Bagenda ne mamulaba even physically.
Tebaliiwo, bisinga bwe bali bandimulabye, but tebaliiwo.
Okay.
Do you feel sorry for jambo lwayogera mu media maybe tebaliyogeza busungu at certain point oluvanyuma kuyinga kwa Maybe olwokuba bwali busungu naye
Yeah.
In my nature, sivuma, so I don't think namovuma. Whatever I said, it could have come out wrongly, but I'm sure it was right. So I am not sorry for what I said. I am sorry for for the whole chaos. But I do not take back or regret anything I said, because whatever I said, I'm sure it was correct. Omanyi omuntu ayinza okugamba kola kino, nakugamba kola kino. It's not like a Gambia with the other tone avumye, right? So it could have been a different tone, but it was correct. So I wouldn't erase anything I said because I'm sure it was correct. I, however, would want to erase the whole moment, but no, I mean, it happened. So I'm just sorry that it is like this, that we are apart, but I wouldn't take back anything I said.
So you're apologetic.
Yeah.
Twogera ku social media, ogambye you were trending everywhere.
I was told. I think I made one post and I've not really gone back to Facebook. Okay, but at least I'm seeing I'm the status of all my WhatsApp contacts, and probably other people keep sharing with me. And then people have told me I've trended, but then okuva graduation, a lot of events, so but then siri ku Facebook, but I've been told.
Social media ya pushing etyo okulaga nti mwalinawo olutalo lw'amaanyi yakumamu etyo omuliro mu byaliwo.
I say mwade mumpita ku interview mwagambye tugenda kwogera ku masters.
All right, kale finally kati mumbera nti oli mukugu mu bye wasomye oyinza offeringa service eri short media singa baba beetaga obukugu obufaanana obwo bwoyina.
Yes, however, like nkugambe ki nti general tayimirira ku kkubo kulaga mmotoka nti ziyite wano, yet they are in the same line of work. Oshegera kati bw'oba okuguse ate kati salt media right now, as an engineer, like by then, as just a person who has just completed engineering degree, I would be of good service. Ate when you master, ate you can't do the same role, Yes, like development. You understand? Maybe I would be like a consultant they call in if there's something's wrong.
Okay.
But you can't underemploy. Yes, I would be underemploying myself. Yes.
You get the tough moments in life. I guess you're going to go man of Muwala, despite the fact that what I don't know, some Chinese at the moment that are going through the same situation. Now you are coming to 2019.
So about tough moments, actually, Muwala, life is so hard. Like it's not even about kubera na challenges. Never na challenges. You have a job and you can be qualified and you're trying to apply for a job and someone will overlook your qualifications and look at you as a woman. Yeah. So Muwala challenge is not even, it's finances is just a little bit on it. Now I think women are really strong and they can even be stronger. So if you know what you want, you can be as strong as you must be. Because I'm telling you, I have children. I have work. I have siblings. I have bills. I have a lot of things I do. Yes? I have responsibilities. And I still got a distinction level. And if you've had Makerere University, it's not a joke. So it will test how hard you can go, how strong you can go, but you can do it. So Muwala talina kwesasira. Kyengamba nti toyina kutulaawo ng'omwana omuwala n'ogamba nange singa nali musajja osinga nali nina kino kasa teweesaasira nti otalina tokirina kyolina kati yeggwe, so move forward and the sky is the limit.
Alitegeeza abantu bwe balina okusabira bajje basabeko nammwe and mubeerawo ddi ne services.
Okay. So nsabira ku Word of Salvation Ministries International, Pastor Bugiingo, tubeera wano ku Bat Valley. Lunch hours zitandika saa 6 paka 8, so it's actually lunch time. Then Sunday services zitandika saa 4 paka saa 7. Usually zibeerawo services 2 paka 5 kitundu, then 5 kitundu paka 7. So you can come and we fellowship together. And God will do glorious things in our lives all.
All right, Kali.